Hello guys, my name is Urk Kumar, you're watching me. Let's start today's train video without having any further delay. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the routine of 6th July 2024 of the day 244. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to tell you what's actually happened in my today's routine. If you are new on my YouTube channel, so I just only wanted to tell you that I upload some videos on YouTube to just save my phone storage. If I upload some videos or all the videos to my gallery, so my all the storage will be gone to full very soon. And after that, my phone started gets hanging. So this is the why, that's the reason why I upload some videos on YouTube. But if I tell you in one line, what's the purpose of doing all the things towards uploading my videos on YouTube? The answer is simple. I just only wanted to improve my English speaking skills. This is a thing which is I actually I want to develop, included today, from the last 244 days, included today. I'm just trying to improve my English speaking skills day by day, and I usually daily upload videos when I speak, and I made a plan that my average videos period length from the initial days of the starting to when I started my YouTube channel of this while regularly uploading my videos. Okay, and this is the day till yet I upload my average videos period length minimum 10 minutes. Okay, wait guys. So my average video period length minimum 10 minutes, as I already told you. But towards from, if I compare from the first day of the day 1 and to day 244, I think that I improve my English speaking skills as much as I can. I've done if you saw my the first video of the day 1, then you will find that I speak English similarly as you are looking at me. But the fluency level was not enough as before. But now my fluency level is enough. Okay, not enough, I am not appreciating myself. I just only want to tell you that my fluency level increased from day 1. Still I am not on that level where I have to be fluency with, guys. But if I conclude from all over the day, from day 1st to day 244, I think that I have improved too much. Not on that the top level, but I know that I'll reach very soon to that top level where I can speak to the anybody at a very fluently manner. I can't think while speaking on that time. So yeah guys, I think it's enough for today. So let's start today's video without having the further delay. So basically today I woke up at around 6 to 7 between, no, I don't think 6 to 7, it's 7 to 8 between. I woke up and I thought that it's already 10 happened, and I was too much scared about all the things. But after that I realized that it's not 10 a.m, it's only around 7:30 happens. Okay, so after that I went to the ground floor, and yeah, so after that what I had done, yeah, after that I went to the bathroom, and after that I came, and after that I washed my mouth, and after that I had taken the bath, and after that I wore the clothes, and after that I worshipped in a very proper manner, and after that yeah, after that I drink milk. Yeah, after that I didn't too much thing, I ate. Now what we call chola in English? Okay, so today I ate, by the way, chola puri. I literally don't know what we call puri in English, but I remember that I translated before chola, and right now I don't know what we call chola in English. So let me see it. Basically I have already written, so I need to find first, but the name of that chola was like totally different according to me, I think. So chola is chickpeas. It seems like lawn ways. I don't like the chick going to be the chicken. I don't like it. I'm I'm a vegetarian. Okay, so basically, but according to the translator, chola we call in English chickpeas. So today I ate chickpeas. That is chola. Okay, and puri we call in Indian tradition, that is puri. Okay, so basically I ate, and after that I didn't do much thing. Yeah, after that I came to the first floor and I started studying, and after that I brought a cooker cap. I just only need to change the rubber of that cap. So after that I went to the Budhela, and after that I also purchased one register and some pens and scale. So after that I came, and after that I started studying, and after that my mother came. After that I went to the ground floor, and after that I ate food with my mother, and after that I watched TV, and after that I had taken the rest. After that I think that I went to the bathroom. After that yeah, I think that I don't know exactly about that. No, I think that I not went bathroom on that time. Okay, so basically this is a thing which was actually happened. Okay, so after that what I had done, uh, you know, I came to the first floor, and after that I studying, and after that I went, I went through the outside the room. Okay, and so after that, me, my mother, and my sister went to the here is a shop of electronics. Okay, so we went there to purchasing the mobile. We have purchased one phone that is it a mid range phone, and I think that it's now I think that it's quite good. According to me, the display is also quite good. The speaker as well as the I think. The camera is also quite good. So after that we came, and yeah, basically that phone is for my sister. So my mother, and not my mother also, my mother and me, my sister surprised her to by giving the gift. So basically this is a thing which was actually happened. But before surprising them, for we ate ice cream first. Okay, so after that my mother surprised to her. Okay, yes, my mother surprised to her. Okay, so basically guys, this is the thing which was actually happened, and after that we celebrated, and after that I used my phone, sorry, not my phone, my sister's phone. I used that phone, and I trying to see something what's interesting in this brand phone. So basically this is the thing which was actually happened, and after that I I've not done too much thing. I filled the cooler. Basically this is a thing which was actually happened. But before surprising, I also went to fill the cooler of the ground floor, and also I filled the bucket with water. Okay, fill the cooler of the ground floor from water. Okay, so after that basically this is a thing which was actually happened till yet. I already told you. Okay, so after that after surprising, let me tell you, after surprising I filled cooler. Then again after filling the cooler, I went for doing the pee, and after that I came first floor. Okay, so I think that I already brought the water, and after that I didn't do too much thing. I just situated all the things at the right place, like situating all the clothes at the right place, cooler at the right place. So basically this is the thing which was actually happened, and after that I started shooting the video. So basically this is the thing which was actually happened. I hope you'll understand it. If you really understand it, then kindly please like it, because if you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a continuously manner. So let's learn a daily vocabulary. Okay, so where we was at the last time, so let me check it first. We reached at a very high level to, yeah, our first word is obligation. Obligation means दायित्व. यह काम करने का दायित्व तुम्हारे ही पास है. For doing this work, only you have the obligation for doing this work. Okay, in simple way, if I said it, if I told you, that work only can done by you because you have obligation. Yeah, legal means कानूनी. लगता है कि ये काम कानूनी है. I think that this work is legal. Agreement guys, समझौता. यह निर्णय लेने के बाद तुम्हें समझौता करना चाहिए. आफ्टर टेकिंग द डिसीजन यू शुड टेक एग्रीमेंट. ओके, आई थिंक दैट आई हैव सम डाउट इन दिस एग्जांपल एग्रीमेंट. सो या, सो आवर फोर्थ वर्ड इज क्रिएट्स. क्रिएट्स मीन्स गाइज बनाता है. इट्स तुमने क्या तुम बनाता है. आइसक्रीम कौन बनाता है, बट इट्स हु कुक्स आइसक्रीम. आई डोंट थिंक. कूलर कौन बनाता है, हु क्रिएट्स कूलर. क्या तुम क्या तुम कुर्सी बनाते थे. had you created chair. So our fifth and the last word is said. Said means कहा. क्या मैंने तुमसे ये कहा था. Did I said you? Do I said you? I have some doubt regarding this agreement and said. Okay, and I will really check it very soon. Okay, so this is the fifth 5 word we have completed. So I think guys it is enough for today. So let's end the video, guys. See you, Radhe. Bye bye.